Hi there, and welcome to Choice of Voice UK. My name's Steve, and I'm here for all your voiceover needs. I'm here to help you whether you're starting a voiceover business, trying to balance your voiceover business with a full-time job, doing it as a side hustle, or thinking of taking it to the next level and going full-time. I'm a full-time voiceover and I work for various companies across the globe, and I absolutely love it. And all I want to do is help you to enjoy the same, if that's the particular avenue that you fancy. Today's topic is looking after your voice. The most critical aspect of your voiceover business is you and your voice, but it's how you look after it, and it's what you then do also when you get the dreaded cold, or you get something that affects your voice, such as blocked nasal passages or anything like that. Now, this is one of the really scary things that can happen, because all of a sudden your voiceover business changes in the matter of a few days. So what do? Well, your voice is you, so it's something you really need to take care of. So making sure you look after yourself healthily, eating a balanced diet, getting regular sleep, all those sorts of things are critical things that will help you with your general health to save you from picking up bugs and various other bits and pieces. Now, what happens when you do eventually get the dreaded cold, or you get bunged up, or you've got hay fever, or something like that happens? Whilst there's medication and various things that you can get that's out there, one of the most critical things is your voice to you will sound completely different to how it sounds to other people, to your clients. And if you've started doing voiceover, or you've even just recorded yourself on your phone to listen to your voice, you'll know that already. But how it sounds to you internally when you have a cold is quite often more drastic to you than it is to the client. So what's really important is if you've got a voiceover job that's come through and then you've got a deadline to hit and then all of a sudden you get a cold, the most important thing is keeping your clients informed. The worst thing that you could possibly do is sort of drag it out and hope that it's going to go away and sort of message them back in 2 or 3 days, when actually you've got to deliver it today. So the first thing to do is to message your client and go, "Hi, just to let you know, today I've got a slight cold, so my voice might not sound like it normally does." And then just send them a clip of their script with your voice to let them make the choice. Now, what the client's going to do is either they're going to come back and go, "Thanks so much for letting us know. Actually, do you know what? I can't really tell any difference and we're quite happy for you to go ahead," in which case you've got the confidence that you can record that script and get it back to the client on time. Alternatively, they may say, "Actually, do you know what? We've got a bit of leeway, give it a couple of days, but keep us informed with what's going on. Then record it and send it to us." Now, I've done this all my time with my voiceover clients, and it's never ever been a problem. The most important thing is keeping people informed, and that's where a lot of voiceovers don't necessarily help themselves with their customer experience, the customer service that they provide. So the one biggest tip that I can give you is not just about looking after your voice, because your voice is you, but also always keep the clients informed. The more you keep them informed, the better the client's relationship will be with you, and potentially the more repeat business you'll get from them, because they'll always remember your customer experience. So I hope that's helped you. Now, if I can help you any further, or you've got any comments and tips, please do put them in the comments down below. Alternatively, if I can help you further with your voiceover business, please do contact me through our contact form, which is on our website, which is choiceofvoice.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching. We've got more material again for you next week. We have videos every single week. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and hit the bell button so YouTube will tell you when we put up a new video. Thanks for watching, and catch you soon in our next video. Take care. Bye.